Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. Today's date is September 22nd, 2023. I'm going to take a look at two currency pairs, the Aussie versus US dollar and the New Zealand versus US dollar, so sit tight. Both of these currency pairs have similar patterns. Taking a look at the Aussie versus US dollar, put a red box around what the price action has been doing over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading weeks. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart by the way, so each of these dashed lines represent 8 weeks of trading. And as you can see in trading here today, the market moved back above the 200 and 100 bar moving averages on this 4-hour chart at 0.6429 and 0.6443. But we remain within these confines of the red box on the top side. Further momentum would next target the swing area right through here. This goes back in time, but more recently we've seen the swing highs coming through here. We broke above it, admittedly, but then reestablished resistance against it on its way to the downside. So this area between the 0.6484, 0.6487 will be the next key target to get to and through on the top side if the momentum can continue. What we have to see in this pair is to stay above the 200 bar moving average at 0.6443 if the price moves back below that level, and then below the 100 bar moving average, the bias then shifts back to the downside. But right now, after holding the 100 bar moving average in trading yesterday, we are seeing a reversal to the upside in trading here today, and that is more positive in the short term, at least for the Aussie versus US dollar. Let's take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar, and very similar to what we saw in the Aussie versus US dollar. That you can put a red box around the trading as well through here. Ahead of the extremes, we do have swing areas up here between the 0.5985 and 0.5996. We are testing the low of that swing area, and we did that earlier this week as well at the session highs for the week. So getting above this level at 0.5985 and moving above 0.5996, let's call it get above 0.6000, nice round level, would open the door for the extreme that we saw not 1 but 2 or 3, I guess 3 or so weeks ago at 0.60146. Get above that level and we open the door for further upside momentum. Like the Aussie versus US dollar, the price in trading today, well, in this case, the price based against the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, then moved above the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. So this was a more stronger move with the base against the 100 moving above the 200. Good news for the upside. The buyers are making the play. They just need to get above these highs in order to kickstart this pair further to the upside and get outside of this non-trending trading range that we've seen over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading weeks in the New Zealand versus US dollar. So same red boxes around the trading up and down trading range for both the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand versus US dollar, but buyers are making a play with moves above the 100 and 200 bar moving averages on the 4-hour chart. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.